Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle with 4 stars in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday the 13th, December the 13th, 2024, and we have here 3 regular puzzles. One of those puzzles I've already solved, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the 4 stars and the killer Sudoku. So two Sudokus we have here, and in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these 3 regular puzzles. One of those I've already solved, so the second one, the 4 Star Sudoku, will be number 9742. 9742. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. Well, this one has 26 again. Yes, usually the 4 stars puzzle, 4 Star Sudoku has 24. This one has 2 digits more, should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, the publisher has indicated this one with 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. Or is this a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 8 in the third column? 8 in the first column, so the column between. The second column. The only place level 8 should be down. 3 missing numbers in this column. Second column, one of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the second column should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the second column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 1, 2, 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have 1 and 2 in this row. No 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. All right. 7, 6, and in this row, one of the missing number is a 3. Well, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, give me 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 6. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 7 and 6. We have a 6 now in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So the only place level 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those. All right. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Shoot me down. I need a line here. I need a line there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left with 6. Should be there. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Here, give me 6, we have 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, no, cannot continue with the 6, need to wait. 1, 9, 7, 1, 9, 7, 9, 9, 9, 1, 9, 7, 2, 2, need a 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. 2, 9, 8, 2, 9, 8. Come on, come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 there. 5, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, and look, you have 5 and the 7 in the first row. So no 5 and the 7 in this box. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3, 3, need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 2 missing numbers in this column. Third column for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. 7 minutes already passed. Okay. Need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. And look, we have 7 and 9 in this row. No 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers at 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. I need an 8 here. 8, 8. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1, 2, need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so no, that row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1, 8, 2 and 8. Okay. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 8, 8, 8, 8. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 4, 7. 1, 1, 1, 1. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers, 1 of the missing numbers 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. And here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place left with 1 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 9, we have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, or last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. Oh wait, 9 and a 7, we have a 9 in this last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Cannot believe this quicker than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.